Hey, what's up friends? Welcome to another new brand video. So this video is a very special for Cardano holder because this is live price prediction of Cardano. So before I get start a video, please you just click on the subscribe button. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates of all cryptocurrencies. Yes, I updating you every single hour. So just for you just subscribe ABS Tech channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Okay guys, so let's get start video. Okay, so this is the last 1 month result. If you can see here, the last 1 month result is the best chance you can see here as plus 655.51%. I know this is very high chance of Cardano because you can see here this is absolutely all cryptocurrencies goes down, but one thing, this is Cardano is going upwards. So this is absolutely good jump you can see here, and you can see here the price of one Cardano coin is 1.38 US dollar. Absolutely very high price. This is not bad. But if you can buy one Cardano coin before 1 month, then today price, let's check it out, the today price. Okay, I think today price is goes down. Let's see, check it out. Today price is goes down. I think Cardano, yes, I am right. This is the last 1 hour result. You can check it out. The last 1 hour result, as you say, 1.19 US dollar as the price of one Cardano. So this is going downward. You can see here this is very big dump. Absolutely, they start going down. So you can see here not time to off. So if you can hear, you can see here the change is minus 1.6%. Absolutely very bad change. So what we can say is, I think this is just selling time, not a buying time, because they are going downwards. So just sell it, and this is absolutely good time for selling, not a buying time. So thanks for watching guys. This is live price prediction you watch. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you any good and bad news. So just click the subscribe button. Allah Hafiz, take care.